Good morning, good evening, everyone, wherever we are all joining in from. Om Namo Narayani.
Om Namo Narayani.
So it seems like we just started and we are already onto the fourth week of Sri Lalita's class. I wonder if it's all going smoothly with you. Otherwise, not to worry. They become familiar with the names over time. So we will start with the prayers, with the mantras, and then the meditation for Sri Lalita. And we'll go through her names 19 to 25 today. If you know it, you can join. Otherwise, you can just listen to the mantras that we start with. Jnana-rupaya vidmahe Shakti-hamsaya dhimahi Tanno Shaktiyam ma prachodayat. Om Jnana-rupaya vidmahe Shakti-hamsaya dhimahi Tanno Shaktiyam ma prachodayat. Om Jnana-rupaya vidmahe Shakti-hamsaya dhimahi Tanno Shaktiyam ma prachodayat. Om Sarvamangala-mangalye Shive Sarvartha-sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Sarvamangala-mangalye Shive Sarvartha-sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Sarvamangala-mangalye Shive Sarvartha-sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sindhuraruna विग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्तां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायदाक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसत् हेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततताम् अभयतां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहस्तेक्षणां सचरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् आशेषजनमोहिनीं अरुणमाल्यभूषोज्ज्वलां जपकुसुमभासुरां जपविदौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम् करुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापां मणिमादिभिरावृत्तां मयूखैरहमित्येव विभावये महेशीम् ॐ नमो नारायणे. We start on her 19th name. Om Shreem Nava Champaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Birajitayai Namah Swaha. Om Shreem Nava Champaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Birajitayai Namah Swaha. Om Shreem, Om to Sri Lalita, salutations to her. Nava Champaka is a newly blossomed, just opening Champaka. Champaka is the flower, very fragrant. You may have seen it if you've gone to Pedam and in many places. These are yellowish flowers, some off whitish, some more yellowish varieties. Very, very fragrant. And what the name describes is whose shapely nose, it's smooth and just tapering to slightly opening. It's like the bud slightly opening, the newly opening bud. It's not a fully blown flower, it's newly opening bud, whose shapely nose is just like the freshly blown, the Champaka flower bud. Its fragrance and the shape and the smoothness of it, and very shapely. And by itself, the name just seems like comparison, but in many of these, in fact, all of them, there are mantras, bij mantras incorporated into each of her name, each lines of her names. We will now, I'll say it twice, you can repeat on the second one. And don't worry if you get it wrong, just let go of that inhibition of chanting it. Om Shreem, Om Shreem, Navachampaka, Navachampaka, Pushpabha, Pushpabha, Nasadanda, Nasadanda, Virajitayai, Virajitayai, Namah Swaha, Namah Swaha. Once more. Om Shreem, Om Shreem, Navachampaka, Navachampaka, Pushpabha, Pushpabha, Nasada, Nasadanda Virajitaye Virajitaye Namaswaha. Om Shreem, together if you can. Om Shreem Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasadanda Virajitaye Namaswaha. We'll go to the next name, the 20th name for Sri Lalita. Om Shreem Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasuraye Namaswaha. Om Shreem Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasuraye Namaswaha. Salutations to Sri Lalita. To me, it's Sri Lalita Narayani. So I always say it as Sri Lalita Narayani because they are the same. Tara Kanti, the sparkling, the Tara is by itself stars. Some liken it to the brightest star in the evening is the Venus in the sky. So that sparkling, that brightness of the stars. Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana. Nasa is the nose. Abharana is the jewelry, what she adorns herself with. So for Sri Lalita, whose nose is bejeweled with the ornaments, and you might have seen traditionally, even now, many people, they wear nose studs or nose rings or nose jewels. And often they are either diamond or most often it's diamond or pearls or gems there. And her nose jewel, the stud or the nose jewel, is so bright and beautiful that it is brighter than the stars and the brilliance of the evening bright stars in the sky, the Venus and the stars. And these nose rings, the nose studs, these are all, to go deeper into what this is for those who don't know, these are all different energy points in the body. And wherever there are energy points, there are ornaments and jewels worn in those regions to enhance the flow of the energy. But for her, she adorned, everything emanates from her. There is another story, not directly related to Sri Lalita, but one of the famous devotional songs in Tamil is called Abhirami Andadi. There, one of the devotees is singing to Abhirami, another form of the cosmic mother. Her name there is Abhirami. And these verses are in Tamil, poetic, describing the devotee. And once there's a story that a king comes and says, which is the full moon or new moon, he wants to come for the moon phase. And he's so lost in his devotion, he says tomorrow is full moon. He's not even aware of what's happening. He's just soaking in devotion. And everyone knows tomorrow is not full moon. And the king says, you've given a wrong number, wrong information. If the full moon doesn't appear, I'm going to behead you. So he says, he goes to Abhirami and says, I was just soaking in you. I was totally in total devotion to you. I don't even know what question they asked, what answer I gave. You have to protect me, mother. I have no idea. He pleads and he sings the Abhirami Andadi for her, pleading to her in his devotion. And it is said that in the night, it's supposed to be new moon, no moon. It's supposed to be totally dark. And everyone comes to see the king and the whole court, and they see a sparkling moon up in the sky, and they're all stunned. Today there should be no moon. Today is not full moon, and everyone sees this beautiful full moon out there. And then he wakes up and sees Abhirami, the divine goddess mother, cosmic mother, has removed her nose ring. She's thrown it into the sky, and that is sparkling like the full moon for everyone to behold as the full moon. And at that time, she doesn't have it here, and then it comes back to her. So those are the divine place you find uh, in all the devotees' lives, and so many of these events that happen. So her nose ring is studded and sparkling and beautiful, Sri Lalita's. We'll say again. Om Shri Om Shri Tarakanti Tiraskari Tiraskari Nasabharana Nasabharana Bhasuraye Namaswa Shri Tarakanti Tiraskari Nasabharana Bhasuraye Namaswam Shri Tarakanti Tiraskari Nasabharana Bhasuraye Namaswaha. Sri Lalita's 21st name, Om Shri Kadamba Manjari Klipta Karnapura Manoharaye Namah Swaha. Om Shri Kadamba Manjari Klipta Karnapura Manoharaye Namah Swaha. Salutations to Sri Lalita. And charming, decked with the clusters of the Kadamba flowers woven above her ears. The Kadamba Manjari. Kadamba comes very much. There are many references to this tree and its flowers in many devotional songs, in other places in the scriptures as well. It's a very special flower and tree. When you Google and see, it's used for so many of the flowers for perfuming. Attar is a local perfume they make, and it's used for many perfume things. Other than that, it also has so many other medicinal properties. And there used to be forests of this particular tree, Kadamba Vanam. Vanam is forest. There used to be Kadamba Vanam. Now many have been deforested, but it's still a very special tree. And the goddess loves to stay in the Kadamba Vanam, where the Kadamba tree is. And she is adorning these flowers of the Kadamba flowers over her ears. She's adorning herself with these flowers. Earlier, in the earlier verses, we saw the other flowers, Champaka, the Punnaga, Saugandhika. We saw those other flowers. Now there is one just for the Kadamba Manjari, a garland of a string of all these Kadamba flowers. And not only is the flower gorgeous, she is so charming and beautiful, and together they add so much beauty. She's radiant and charming with that. We'll say it together. Om Shri Kadamba Manjari Klipta Karnapura Manoharaye Manohar.
So she's